Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best hiking shoes Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Merrell Men's Moab 2-Vent Hiking Shoe. 2-Vent Moab Merrell hiking shoes. These men are top-notch and absolute by recommendation. What's more, they are one of the best-selling shoes on Amazon Walk. It's certainly a good test result. To brand was first put comfort and quality known to rest ensures that on uneven terrain pull over, the air cushion Merrell be overtime absorb enough shock for a smooth ride experience. And weighing about 900 grams in a medium, these shoes remain very light. Its mesh upper keeps all kinds of waste and moisture raised during the wave, offering easy enough stability and to protect the ankle on foot. Number 2. Our second best pick is Merrell Moab 2 Waterproof Hiking Shoes. Merrell have finally released a successor to its popular Moab walking shoes and, judging by both the feel and performance of the almost 10 years wait, it was worth it. Moab 2 is lighter than the original and maybe a little more comfortable, especially after hours in the path. This is a shoe that feels like silk straight out of the box. Non-2 weeks adjustment time with blisters and curses subdued. Just unpack these puppies, they slide in and you're ready to go. He is not burdened by these shoes. Almost every couple walking on the scales just under 2 pounds is little better than most competitors. As for traction, the company has decided that, if it is not broken, do not fix it, and stayed naturally found with the same Vibram like the original. Their courses mean that stability and support is outstanding. Waterproofing is with the proviso excellent overall that these low riders so that each stream cross better many dry rock surfaces include. All in all, the Moab 2 shoes and high reputation of its predecessor on foot and as long as not remain resistant from the option against the water, like a shell be happy. These also make a perfect gift for hikers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Keen Targhee 2 Hiking Shoes. Walking shoes. Targhee 2 Keen men built to your feet to keep right no matter what is negotiated inside. The hydrophobic power leather provides a high degree of comfort and provides nubuck leather lining and breathability, which, when combined with low-cut shoe, safe you will not overheat, blanched even on hot days or in Shawn Grand Canyon. EVA midsole is designed to comfort and support and is actually a little better in the comfort of support. This does not mean that the support is lacking, only seems to have taken it a bit of a back seat to comfort, especially during startup and again page. It's still a relatively small thing and the rest of the shoe that justifies reasonable price. The chippers are some of the best to string, it is safe and shock absorption is excellent thanks to the rubber soles. As with other low waterproof hiking boots, be wary about the depth of puddles, streams and rivers before entering. But keep everything inside the establishment parameters of the shoe and it is good to go. At the end of the day, Targhee is to extend a good investment for search between hikers and their horizons. A great addition to our best leaders walking shoes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Salomon Men's X Ultra 3 GTX Hiking Boot. X Men's Salomon Ultra GTX Walking Shoes 3 has received many tests but judgments hikers nothing stops reviews glows. As with the usual Salomon brand, this shoe carrier impressed with resistance to sliding and wear stable, it is an all-round top-quality pair of shoes. In contrast to the vast majority of hiking boots, the Ultra GTX 3 deals the chassis from a foam pad for comfort and surrounds to stabilize the membrane heel. They offer excellent grip and more stability, and it is fair to say that they are probably more suitable for demanding tours and steep terrain. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Adidas Outdoor Men's Axe 2 Hiking Shoe. If you are an avid climber of mountains in search of an all-around multifunction pair of walking shoes, then outside Adidas Men Axe 2 shoeing is the right choice for you. This pair of shoes offer enough to support extended treks through more difficult terrain. They have also proven effective in the classic treks in plaster country. Resistant outsole provides excellent grip and stability in wet conditions thanks to the sole's super high traction rubber. It is ideal for mountaineering, ideally in the summer, and trekking tours for normal and may also be used for climbing. What comfort has been a form template including to improve comfort and fit. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.